Alrighty, everybody. Hi, I am Shaina Molow, and I do digital marketing here for PTS. Thank you for joining us today for our webinar on getting started with the PTS Cloud. We're very excited to share more with you, especially since we have made the Demo Center a focus on our most recent TracerPlus release 10.6. As a non-programmer myself, what's great about the PTS Cloud is that you don't need to have the technical experience to sink your teeth in. But I'm not going to spoil too much. We'll get into all the details in just a bit. Again, thank you for joining us today. Our agenda is to cover all of our bases on what TracerPlus is and how to access the PTS Cloud in case you are brand new to either service. We're going to show you how the demo center is accessed, how it's used, and why we've opted for a cloud. And before I get started, I'd like to mention our social media pages. These are going to be the central hubs on all things PTS, and you'll find the latest updates about our company and software on our LinkedIn pages. And also make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channels. We're actively posting new content in addition to our massive video library. We have 15 years worth of content to help you get a foot in the door. And if you're also interested in learning more about a fixed RFID solution, go give some love to our other software, ClearStream RFID, which is mentioned here. And I manage a lot of these avenues, so I greatly appreciate if you took the time to check all of this fun stuff out. For those of you who are new to portable technology solutions, we have been in business for 23 years. Our goal has always been to provide data collection solutions that don't require any programming experience to put together. We develop barcode, RFID, BLE, and NFC scanning software for mobile devices with TracerPlus, which is what we will be discussing in more detail today. And I briefly mentioned ClearStream, which again, it's our fixed RFID and BLE solution. In short, that is our middleware. It acts as a bridge between your fixed data collection devices and your backend database. And the last solution we offer, that's the star of our show today, that is the PTS Cloud. That is our data management solution that can also act as your backup database. And we were inspired to build the cloud specifically with usability and transparency in mind for our users. So that's just a quick summary of what we have to offer here at PTS, but let's get right into it. Now, the first piece of this puzzle, we need to talk about TracerPlus. In short, this is our incredibly flexible user-configurable software that enables users to develop and deploy your very own enterprise-class mobile data collection apps. We support a variety of data capture methods, including barcode, RFID, BLE, and NFC. And TracerPlus is made up of three main components. The first being desktop, which allows you to design your mobile apps on your desktop computer. We have mobile, which is our handheld client you use to put your apps to work. And this is widely compatible with any Android or iOS device. And finally, Connect, which allows you to connect your data to your database. And TracerPlus can be used in a variety of different solutions. We support projects that rely on asset tracking, inventory management, mobile inspections, etc. And we have more options than what is listed here. When you open up TracerPlus Desktop, you can customize a variety of sample templates, and you can tailor those apps to your business needs. At PTS, we understand that different solutions are required by different industries. So our company works with a lot of people who have to track chemicals, IT assets, food, retail items, and lots more. TracerPlus is virtually compatible with pretty much any setting. We also offer support to a wide variety of hardware, ranging from Zebra Technologies, Janum, Panasonic, and with the most recent release with 10.6, we're excited because we opened up support to Technology Solutions, TSL, UHF RFID readers. We also have a version of the mobile client for iOS. We offer support to bring your own device solutions and to prove that you can use your own equipment at any step of the way. I'll be using my very own iPhone 12 to show that off. So the next piece is, what is the PTS Cloud? And the story is that before 2019, we had never really considered developing a backend system for customers. However, we did see industry trends that inspired us. A lot of people we noticed were struggling to develop their own data management system, and companies needed a simple way to connect and share their data especially outside of corporate firewalls. We also noticed that teams were searching for a way to trace every transaction within their organization, and thus the PTS Cloud was born as a result of customer demand and industry need. And some of the biggest institutions that we work with today are seeing pretty fantastic return on investment. Now let's get into more about the cloud. For those unfamiliar, when you initially download the TracerPlus mobile client, you're given 6 sample applications to play around with. And one of the benefits of TracerPlus 10.6 is that those 6 apps are now cloud enabled. So you can start tracking and syncing data pretty much from the get-go. So if you have a TracerPlus project where you need to sync data fast to a database, the Demo Center really gives you a feel for how easy it can truly be. You can also perform simple housekeeping duties with the data you collect. You can delete pieces of data, export, and again, our main reason for developing the solution was so your organization can track every move, making it easy to see what's happening to your data, assets, or whatever items you're currently tracking. You'll also have access to the subscriptions portal, which is the more administrative side to TracerPlus. So what can the PTS Cloud do to bolster your business? For starters, it's a centralized data management service, so you can really log in at any time and anywhere to see your data, and all you need is your login credentials and you are golden. Again, no programming experience needed to operate. That's why I'm here today. We really strive to make our solutions super easy to use at any skill level. And when you use a full version of the cloud, this really gives peace of mind to you and your IT teams. You can exist beyond those corporate firewalls I mentioned earlier. And this also really provides a good backup for your mission critical data. Of course, the PTS Cloud is an affordable option to your traditional software services, and you'll save time and money knowing how simple this is to use at any level of expertise. So next, we're going to get into our live demo. The link you will be using to get into the cloud is apps.cloud@ptshome.com. So what you're going to do if you're not a user, you're just going to click not a user, sign up, enter here, and you'll get a few emails confirming you're activating your account. But for the sake of simplicity, I'm going to be using my own account today. So I will just type my account information in here, and I will do so on the app as well. That should log me in. All right, so when you open up the demo cloud, you should see this homepage here. It just gives you a quick rundown of what to expect and just a short video on more about the cloud and more about, and this will take you to our TracerPlus YouTube page as well. So first, I'm going to take us to the demo dashboard. This is a glimpse at how the cloud would run inside your organization. This is not live, this is just an example. If it were live, it would show your personal login counts, user history, and specifically who is logging in. Again, nothing like that is going to show up in the demo. This is just a trial. Next, I'm going to show you the manage mobile subscriptions. This, again, the subscription portal is more for the administrative side of your TracerPlus trial. And last but not least, our demo apps library. So this is where the cloud really reflects the demo apps. And we're going to start playing around with some data. I'm going to tap on inventory management on my app, and I'm going to click on demo this app in the cloud. Now, if you do not have the demo apps currently on your mobile device, what you can do is you can click download this project and scan the QR code. So what you can do, you can click here, iOS, it'll take you to this will take you to a wizard. Click iOS, I have TracerPlus installed, and scan the QR code. There we go. And the apps should have downloaded pretty quickly. Now that that is taken care of, you can go back to inventory management and we can start collecting data. I am going to click on this little icon right here on my phone. That'll take me to a barcode scanner. I am just going to start collecting data. and it'll ask you if you would like to create a new record. Yes. Item name, I'll just call this barcode 1. Location, my disk, description, next to plants. And I'm going to save that item. And then I'm just going to scan another one. Yes. Item, call this barcode 2. Location, my desk, and I'll say next to plants again. I'll save that item. So when you come into the cloud, obviously that's not going to come over quickly. So what we're going to do, when you go into your view data section of your application, you're going to see that all of this information is taken account for. And we're going to go back into the inventory management apps. And we're going to click sync. And you'll even notice that we have a link to the cloud on our app. And once that is done, notice that there's 0 items in your inventory. And if you synced it, there should be nothing here in this view data section here. So what you're going to do, you're going to come back to your cloud, going to click refresh, and that should show up right here. All the information, what time it was scanned, all the other description information, part number. And what you can do is you can also just edit fields of data. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write my name in instead. And then you can also play around with what you have available to you. So what I'm going to do, you can also export to a CSV, and all that data should show up in an Excel file. So you can see all that data is going to show up right here. Or you can also use delete functions to get rid of some records. And there. And again, it's important to make note that once all this information is gone here and here, you might have to collect your data again. But that's really about it as far as how simple it is to use the cloud and how fast it is to use the cloud. Let's wrap up then. If you have any questions at all, please feel to reach out to us at sales@tracerplus.com or give us a call at the number listed, or come join us later today for open office hours. Open office hours is a really unique support option we offer. You can sign up to speak directly with one of our software engineers. They'll be able to answer any questions about your data collection project. And we offer that every Tuesday, 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern, and Thursday, 10 to 11 a.m. Eastern. And if you're interested in trying the cloud or want to start using TracerPlus, head to tracerplus.com, and you'll be able to download a 30-day free trial. And with that, thanks for joining us, and we look forward to working with you soon. Take care, everyone.